Hey, it's Dustin the Parts Doctor, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace this thin piece of plastic over the front of the control board. This is called the control overlay. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The control board overlay is a thin cover that protects the control board and displays operational graphics and text. It can be replaced separately if worn or damaged, avoiding the cost of replacing the entire control board. If you need to purchase a replacement control board overlay for your Frigidaire range, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair: a T15 and T20 Torx screwdriver or bit, and a 1/4-inch nut driver, a putty knife, and possibly a hairdryer. This video features replacing electrical components, so please disconnect the appliance from the power source before beginning. After disconnecting your range from power by either turning off the breaker or unplugging the appliance, pull the range out to be able to access the back panel. On this model, there are 3 different fasteners holding the back panel on. There are also 2 different style screws that use a T15 and T20 size bits and 6 screws that have a 1/4-inch hex head. The 3 along the top are short black screws, and starting down the side there are 4 longer black screws attaching the top of the back panel to the appliance. Along the sides of the bottom half of the panel are 6 1/4-inch silver fasteners. You may want to snap a photo with your device for reference of where each style fastener is mounted before removing them. Remove all the fasteners but leave the top middle screw for last. Once that fastener is removed, carefully move the back panel away from the appliance and set it aside. Please use caution because the edges of the back panel can be extremely sharp. There are 3 sets of wires connected to the back of the control board. You may want to snap a photo before disconnecting the connectors for reference later. Disconnect each set of wires by grasping and pulling on the plastic housing, not the wires. The control board is held to the control panel by 2 T15 screws and 4 clips. First, remove the 2 screws and set them aside. Working your way around the board, apply slight pressure out to the board's plastic housing while releasing each corner clip. After the board is released from the 4 corner clips, rotate the top of the control board out and pull it free from the control panel. Next, remove the old control overlay. You can use a putty knife to peel the overlay from the control board. If you want, you can use a blow dryer to warm up and soften the adhesive, which might make the removal process easier. If you need to purchase a new control overlay, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to be sure that you're searching with a full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you're getting a correct part and color. To attach the new overlay to your control panel, peel the protective backing off and align the overlay with the control panel. Note, on this model, the notch corner is in the top right corner of the control board. Once you have it aligned, firmly press the edges to assure that the overlay is attached to the control board. Slide the 3 tabs on the bottom of the control board into the control board housing. Once the tabs are inserted into the housing, slowly press the top of the control board into the housing until all 4 corner clips lock into place. Reinstall the 2 T15 screws into the top corners of the control board. Connect the 3 wire connectors to the back of the control board. Reference your photo from earlier if you need to. Be sure each connector is fully attached to the board. To reattach the back panel, align the holes in the top corners with the black screws in the back of the oven's control panel. Starting in the center of the top of the panel, insert a black T15 screw into the mounting hole to hold the panel in place. Insert the 2 other T15 screws into the corner of the back of the oven's control panel. Be careful not to over-tighten any of the fasteners. Moving down the sides, insert the longer black T20 larger threaded screws into the back panel. There will be 2 on each side. Finish by screwing in the 1/4-inch silver screws down the sides. There are 3 on each side, or 6 total. Slide the appliance back and reconnect the power. Your appliance is now ready to use. And that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.